Kevin with Hammond Services. We'd like to cut this water heater open and show you what it looks like inside a 15-year-old water heater and see why we recommend replacing it. Move this section here. If you look inside here, we can see the dip tube coming down and the anode rod and the condition in it. It has been working and doing its job well, and there's a lot of corrosion and buildup on the inside of the heater. You can see the difference. This element has been changed. It was a little bit newer than the older element there.
We got our main man, Mike Lloyd, over here on the sink. We got a leaker going on. We got a leaker. Look at the coloration of that water heater. Rust. Look at that buildup on the bottom of that heater. This is the remnants of what is in the bottom of the water heater. This is a 15-year-old water heater. That's why it's best recommendation to flush these water heaters at least one time a year.